Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing the market makers bullish run. This is a midweek analysis and market review. So I believe going forward, we should be expecting something like this going forward on this channel. So today is Tuesday, this trading week being the 8th of November 2022, and we've had a nice bullish run, taking out a significant swing high on the Euro USD. So I'm going to be going over what happened in the marketplace, why what happened, and how market makers booked their prices. And also, I'm also going to be showing you why what happened actually happened. You get what I'm trying to say? And I'm going to be pointing things out to you on the chart. So if you can look on the chart right here, you can see the markups I have outlined every single places. You get what I'm trying to say? So down below here, this impulsive price leg to the upside is actually the NFP drive that we had last week Friday. So we had the NFP drive to the upside, and since then price has not looked back. So today is this region right here is Monday's trading. Price expanded with this impulsive price leg here above this old daily high, you can see, and price retrace into this void right here, this fair value gap, and you can see the way price expanded. So on the opening of this new day being Tuesday, we can see the way price started retracing to the downside. So this whole retracement to the downside is actually more like a sell trap. You want to say a sell trap, trapping, trying to induce sellers into the market to be able to use their sell orders to achieve the bullish run like you see later on in the marketplace. So but the question is, I've always said it, that price is actually moving from an area of liquidity to another area of liquidity. It is seeking buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. So in this case, you can see the way price actually seeks sell side liquidity, and that the main objective of the sell side liquidity is actually this old daily high. And you can see that from the daily chart right here. You can see this old, okay, let me get that in sync very well. You can see it's this old daily high right here. So price dropped into this old daily high, and you can see this is actually the highest high of these whole order blocks right here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 candle. So if you join the bodies of the candle, this is the high of all the candles body, and this is the low of all the candles body, and that is what price came into. So this is a bullish order block high, which is also a significant old daily high, and that's what price reached for right here. And you can see when price reached for that particular sell side liquidity right here, after trapping seller, you can see a series of consolidation right here. You can see a series of consolidation happening right here, and all of a sudden price expanded to the upside, breaking structure, the first structure break, and this is the obvious structure break going into um, um, towards the New York session all the way into London close, and you can see it happen right here on the 15 minutes. Price retrace, expanding, breaking structure completely, and you can see the reaction in price. Price came down here and expanded to the upside. So now this main objective right here, like we have it on the buy side, is actually a old daily swing high, like I said earlier, and this is that old daily swing guy right here. You see how I outlined it, and you see that's what price actually came for. If I shift this vertical line, you can see the way price came for that high over there. So going forward, we are still expecting bullish prices in the foreign pairs for the dollar. And why is that? And why are we anticipating more bullish prices, and why are we seeing this bullish run in the marketplace currently? If you are conversant with what we the videos I've posted on this channel, you can figure out that I posted a video about the market sell trap on the dollar. You want to say, and this is the dollar chart right here, the dollar index chart, and you can see the way price after this rally on interest rate hikes to the upside, you can see from that region price has been dropping down aggressively. And where is it dropping though? To this area of value, and that is actually a weekly order block. You can see it right here, a weekly order block. So price is dropping aggressively into that particular area, and I say this whole move to the downside is actually a sell trap, because after price drops aggressively into this area, we want to see price push to the upside. So moving forward within the week, probably on Thursday, we want to see what the price delivery is going to look like, because of we're going to be having the CPI news release. So we want to see how price reacts tomorrow into Thursday's trading and before the CPI news release. So if price can get into this particular region over here, then we want to start seeing bullish prices on the dollar index. So I hope you find value in today's video, and you can actually use some useful information right here to go and better inform your trading decisions tomorrow and within the week. So if you find value in today's video, you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.